Fix in 5. P0274. P0274 means cylinder 2's fuel injector is not delivering the correct ammo. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Email illuminated with freeze frame data showing P0274, verify with OBD2 scanner, engine hesitation or stumble under acceleration on cylinder number 2, verify with test drive, monitor fuel trim live data, rough idle or misfire at low RPM, verify with OBD2 scanner freeze frame, check for P0300 concurrent codes. Now the most likely causes. Contaminated or clogged fuel injector, number 2, deposits reduce spray pattern and fuel flow atomization. Intake air leak, intake gasket. Vacuum hose. PCV line, unmetered air bypasses fuel calculation. Faulty oxygen sensor, upstream. What does it cost? Roughly €40 to €250 doing it yourself, or €200 to €600 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean or replace fuel injector cylinder 4. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness to fuel injector. Clean or replace corroded fuel injector connector. Check and repair fuel supply system pressure. The scanner and partside use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0274? The cost to fix P0274 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cost. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0274. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.